To download QGIS, first you need to go to the QGIS official website. So search QGIS on Google and go to this QGIS official website. So here you can find an option to download the software. So this is the page from where you can download the software, and here you have different options for different operating systems. So in this case I am downloading and installing the software for a Windows computer. So when you download QGIS, you have two options. So one option is downloading the latest version. So at the time of making this video, the latest version of QGIS is 3.3. But there is another option where you can download the most stable version. And at the time of making this video, the most stable version is QGIS 3.28. And here the letters LTR means long term release. So it is always recommended to download the most stable version. So I will click on this link and it will show this message, and it will give me the option to download the software. So I will download it, and let's see what we have to do next. Now go to the place where the downloaded file is located and open the file by double clicking on it, and it will open the installer wizard, and this will give you instructions to install the software. So click next and click the box to accept the terms. Click next, and this is the file location where your software will be installed. Click next and click on install to install the software. So it will take some time depending on your computer. So once the installation is finished, it will give you this message and you can click on finish. Now on your desktop, you should see a new folder with the name QGIS and the version that you installed. So open that folder, and within that folder you can see QGIS desktop, and if you double click on that, you can open the software. So without going into the folder, you can also use the search function of Windows and search for QGIS and select the software. So I hope this video will help you to install QGIS, and if you have any problems, let me know in the comment section.